Hi, you're looking at our latest haunted doll. In this model we've fitted the K2 EMF, so that's genuine circuitry. That's direct from K2 Enterprises in the States. We've worked closely with Keith Tupper for a long time, and he can vouch for our supply of meters. So as we suggest, we use the circuitry in this haunted doll, and we've also paired it with our R.E.M detector. So on the chest of a doll, we can press on. You'll see the first light on the EMF light up to indicate the Earth's natural magnetic field. So if we get a K2 pump, EMF pump should I say, and move that near to the doll, then you'll see that deflect. So it can sense proximity at the same time as doing. So the eyes flash when it senses proximity, and we've got the antenna quite short on this one. You can see there's no contact there. So when the eyes flash, the K2 meter also deflects as well, just for that added effect. So you can find these dolls at infraready.co.uk. That's infraready.co.uk. We ship worldwide. We would appreciate if you could share this video, like and subscribe to our channel, and it all helps. Like I say, you can visit us on social media, so at Infraready UK on Facebook and hashtag Infraready UK on Twitter.